Welcome back to the channel. As always, this boat is for sale. So if you like what you see, make sure you check out the link in the description down below for the full ad. With all that being said, let's take a look at this beautiful 2007 47-foot cockpit motor yacht brought to you by Carver. Enjoyed that quick look at the boat. Now let's dive into the details. We're going to start here in the cockpit, hence the name Cockpit Motor Yacht. Carver designed this boat to give you the best of both worlds. This cockpit really allows you to get close to the water, do all of your water activities and water sports. You also have quick access directly into the master stateroom, so you can stumble in here after a night of drinking. So after a quick 4 steps, we are up on the aft deck. Across the back of the aft deck, you can see we have a nice bench seating, comfortably set 5 to 6 people. Looking up, we have a nice hardtop that will provide cover full time, and it is fully enclosed all the way up to the helm. So on those not so nice weather days, you can sit comfortably and still enjoy your boat. Looking forward, we do have a wet bar, complete with a sink and mini fridge. Plenty of storage for all of your liquor needs. And another 3 steps, we're up into the helm. So moving up into the helm, we got a couple of chairs here for the captain and their first mate, as well as a nice bench seat for the peanut gallery to let you know what your docking is like, which shouldn't be an issue on this boat, and I'll show you why in a second. I'm just gonna do a quick pan across so you can get a good idea of what this boat comes equipped with. One of the best things about this boat, I will say, is it does come equipped with a bow and aft thruster, which is nice, especially on a boat this size. Here is a pan across the buttons and switches, all the good stuff I know you're here to see. So making our way to the bow of the boat, as you can see, we have a nice wide walkway with railing all the way around. You never feel like you're gonna fall overboard, which is key. We do have nice bow cushions here, nice and comfortable, so you can lay down, enjoy the nice weather. And at the moment, the sun is behind the clouds. But let me tell you, Texas heat during the summer is no joke. Let's go take a look at the cabin and get in the AC. Moving down into the cabin, we're going to start out on the starboard side. We have a beautiful double recliner ottoman, so you can kick your feet up and relax. One thing I want to point out about these Carvers is they've done a beautiful job with their ergonomics, and as you can see, there is just wide open space all over this boat, making it feel extremely roomy. A quick look aft, you can see we have our standard panel as well as plenty of storage for storing all those things that you want to put inside storage. Moving down into the galley, you can see we have a nice fridge-freezer combo that runs off both AC and DC. We have bamboo laminate floors with a Corient countertop and a 2-burner stove top. Looking behind me, we have a nice stainless steel sink with a Moen faucet, stainless steel microwave, really beautiful woodwork cabinetry that goes along well with the color of the countertops. Before we move over to the dinette, I just wanted to point out that this boat gives you tons of natural light. If you look above me, we have this huge window all the way across. Right now it has a bra on it, but if you took that off, it would really open this place up and allow a ton of extra light in here. Moving over to the dinette, you can see we got a nice booth seating that can sit about 4 people pretty comfortably. You also have a nice window over here so you can look outside, see that beautiful blue water as you take this boat down to the Caribbean. Looking into the forward V berth, you can see we have a nice queen size bed. It is super comfortable. We have one hanging closet as well as access into the standing shower, which is super nice. No wet heads on this boat at all. On the other side, we have access into the head, with plenty of storage all along the top, mirrors, sink, and some more storage. And I just wanted to point out you do have access to the day head from the galley and dinette. I saved the best for last. Moving into the master stateroom, as you can see, we have this extremely comfortable queen size mattress. This one has a memory foam topper on it, so it's real nice. As you can see, we have plenty of storage all around. all the storage you could ever need inside of a vessel this size. Beautiful natural lighting in the master stateroom, so you can get beautiful views no matter where you look. Right behind me, we do have a washer dryer combo set. Looking on the other side of the master stateroom, we have a nice vanity for you ladies to get ready. You do have a door leading to the cockpit, easy access in and out of the master stateroom, quick on, quick off, just like we like it. Moving into the master stateroom head, we have reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe. I will see y'all in the next one.